Welcome back to this channel. Today we'll be discussing page number 77 and 78 of book Math Magic NCERT class 5th. So here is Bhavishya Rathod.
78 नहीं पढ़ सकते आप
So let's start without wasting further time.
अब सावधान क्योंकि आप देख लो ये 78 पेज नंबर रिलेटेड है 79 और 79 पेज नंबर तक करना चाहिए आपको.
Okay, we'll see Bhavishya. So let's start without wasting further time. Don't waste time, Bhavishya.
Half a
turn. Once there was
I will read
a
this story. I will read.
Okay, read.
Half a turn. Once there was a king. He was upset because thieves kept stealing costly jewels from his locker. Here is what the locker looked like.
Okay, this is the locker. And where are the thieves? These are the thieves. Okay, next Bhavishya.
The locker could be opened by giving its handle half a turn. Another half turn and the locker would be locked again.
Okay.
The king would often leave the locker open thinking it was locked. Can you guess the reason?
The king would often leave the locker open thinking it was locked. Can you guess the reason? Reason you see. So for example, if this is the handle, where is the handle, Visha, in this? Where is the handle in this? Tell me. See, just see this image. This circle you see, and here you see. This white is here. Okay. So this white is turned little this side. Okay. Half of that, right? So what is happening? If you this one is here, so you turn it. Okay. If you make it handle like this, it will open it. Again you turn it, it will lock it. That's what it's doing. See, locker could be opened by giving its handle half a turn. For example, this is the handle. This is the handle, and then king is turning this one and then making it open. Okay, and using the locker again closing it, and then after that he'll see, oh, I have made a half turn. That means it's locked. But then he will not turn it. He will not turn it and he will not lock it. He will left it open. Okay. So that's the reason he is doing that mistake. Okay.
No, that's not the alpha. Am I right? You just tell this.
Yeah.
Because the shape would look same after half a turn.
Correct. That's what I'm doing. Say here if you see and here you see, shape is same only, na?
No.
Now on this pen is okay, but in handle if you see on the locker if you see here, this one. If for example, if you turn it, this section will come this side, and this section will come this side. Then he won't know whether he has turned or not turned.
Yeah.
Understood?
Right. Understood.
Like for example, in this, if you turn it, he will not know, na?
I told
the image is same, and this is a mirror image. Okay, that's the reason, because of the mirror image, he won't know whether he has locked or not, whether he has made half turn or not. That's the confusion he is having. Okay, let's go to the next page.
I will read.
Okay.
This increasing part.
Okay.
One day his clever daughter gave him an idea which he liked very much. Now he never got confused. Can you guess what the idea was?
Can you guess?
Yes, I'm putting a dot on.
Make it not look like mirror image. Okay. Okay. That tell me. Next read. You want to read or shall I read?
I will read. The king's daughter asked the king to put a dot on one of the yellow blades. The king had many such lockers.
Just see here. She has put a dot here, and then when you turn it, this dot will come this side, like this, and it will be locked. So the king will know that when dot is here down, the locker is locked. But when the dot is here above, then the locker is open.
Yeah.
That's how there won't be any confusion like this. So his daughter is very intelligent, like my daughter, Bhavishya Rathod. Okay, next.
The king had many such lockers with different handles. Check if, on giving them half a turn, he can get confused with these too.
Yes.
For this it will be confused.
This will be confused. He will get confused with this because when he turn, he will not know that it is turned or not turned. Okay. and in this also he will get confused. In this also he will get confused.
No, Papa, no.
Why?
See,
Why
look
not?
at me. Look at me.
See, for example,
Why must you look at me?
Okay.
Told you na. See, first this handle is facing this side. Now if I give it half a turn, now you see, now this is facing this side.
Now just see, Avisha. Let me explain you. So this section, when we make it a half turn, will exactly come here. Okay, and then this section, if you turn it, exactly will come here. Okay. Just try to imagine and just turning it.
Oh yeah.
This shape, no.
But
This
I'm
shape
turning
is
it only
same.
na. But I'm turning it only na. First this thing is facing this side. Now if I turn it,
No, like that with the book you don't do that way. See, you draw it. I'll draw it here for you. Okay, I'll draw. See, it's already drawn here, yeah, Aisha. I'll draw it for you. Let me draw it here. See this one, huh? And then this one. Okay, and then like this. Okay, here I see. So when you come this side, it will be here. Okay,
yeah, understood.
understood now? So Avisha has understood. I hope आप लोगों को भी समझ में आ गया होगा. I hope you also have understood. So let's go to the next one. Okay, Avisha. It's about turning, Avisha. These doesn't look like mirror image. See, if you see mirror image, if you make it half of this, and it won't look like mirror image if you turn it. See, if you turn it, this section will come this side. Yes or not? Yes or not? That's the reason he will get confused here also. And on this also, when he turns, this will be here. This section, this edge will be this edge, this side, and this will be here. This side here, and this one will be this side, and this one is this one. So when you turn it, it is exactly like this. So in all these four locks, the king will get confused. What will you do to solve the problem?
Same, I'll put a
for
dot.
each of these?
Put a dot.
Put a dot somewhere. Here,
Dot.
here,
Dot.
or here, or
Dot.
here. If you put a dot in the middle, don't make mistake. If you put a dot here in the middle, then again the king will get confused, and it will be similar. Okay. So don't put a dot on the mirror. Just put a dot on one of the blade. Okay.
Or- okay.
So now next 78 pages.
And look at the above.
What?
Did you put a dot on the yellow and purple one?
Yeah, I have done. See, here I have done. It's not visible because we have done so many homeworks here, and here also.
No. You should put a added it here. You should have. This would be even less confusing.
Havisha, Havisha has put a dot on this purple. Purple will be fixed, Havisha. The turning, this won't turn. Only turn will be these blades. These are the blades. Have you not seen any locker, Havisha?
No.
Locker, this is like handle. If you do like this, so that section, the background will not move at all.
Oh.
Okay, so Avisha has put a dot here. That is wrong. You have to put a dot on one of the blade. Okay, here you have to put. Okay, Avisha, let's go next. Shall we go ahead?
Yeah.
If you have understood.
I have understood.
If you have any doubt, just please ask me.
No, I don't have.
You don't have. Correct. So now we'll
Same after one by
same
two.
after half turn. Guess which of the shapes below would look the same after half a turn. Half a turn. Half a turn means, Avisha, we have to turn it this one and bring it here. This is half. I'll turn it and bring it here. So this is square. So this also will look like the same after turn. After half a turn. Not a full turn, Avisha. Full turn means always it will be same only. Means this corner will turn it and come back on the same side, same place. So this is not a, that is a full turn. It's talking about half a turn. You have to pay attention after half a turn. Okay. So when you are turning this corner here and keeping here,
It
and
will
here,
be same.
it will be same because this is square and same color, single color, right? It will be same. And what about this? If you turn it and then like this come here, it will come here. And if
Same.
you turn it and then
It will be same.
and this will be here. Okay, so this side will come here and this side will come here. So this also will be same, right? And this one, obviously this is also same circle. Half a turn will be same because if you turn from this point to this corner, it will look like same only. This also, when you turn it half, it will come here and this half will come here. This also will look like same after half a turn. What about this, Avisha?
This will.
This point, if it turn, it will be here, and this point will go to here, and with
will
this
not
turn, this turn will go to here, and this turn will go to here. So
This will
it will be like this
This
image.
will not.
So this is not a mirror image. I mean, this image will not be the same after half a turn. Okay.
Next.
Now this point, if you turn it, it will come here, and this point, if you turn it, it will come here, and if you turn this point, it will come here. So
It is.
it will look like same after half a turn. Okay, this also will be same. What about this? In this section, this point, if you turn half a turn,
It will not look.
it will come this side, this point, and this, if you make it half a turn, means it will come this side somewhere here, and this one will come here somewhere, and then this portion will come here somewhere, and this section, if you turn it, and will come here. So it will look like this. It will look. We have to draw it, Avisha. I have done here like this, Avisha. Okay, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sides are there? 3 and 3, 6. How many? 2 and 5 sides are there.
Is it a hexagon? No.
So,
Pentagon.
so it will be like this, huh?
I don't know how much gun it is.
What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will look like this.
Okay, next.
So I'll draw it here.
Next.
It will look like.
Next.
You are feeling sleepy? So this will look like. So this is not be the same after half a turn. What about this boy?
He will not look after him.
He has to come here, and this has to go to here, and this one has to go here, and this go to here. It's clearly visible that if you turn half a turn, this boy, it will not be same because.
And it is also given that how will he look.
It will be upside down. His legs will come down, his hands will go up. So this will not be the same after half a turn. Okay.
And look at that. It will look like this after half a turn.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You are right, Avisha. Oh, we didn't think this is an image, Avisha. We should have thought about this also. We should have done for this also. If you turn it half, this hand will be here, and this hands will be here, and this legs will be here, and it will be like upside down. So this boy also is not a mirror image. This will not be the same after half a turn. Okay. So the focus of the exercise following the story on the next page is to break the symmetry of the figures, recreate the symmetry in the same figure. Okay, Visha? So let's see in the next page 70. Okay.
Papa.
Do you find it difficult to tell? If yes, no, we didn't find any difficulty, right?
Yeah.
Sit properly, Visha. Then there is a way to check your guess. Here is how you can do it. Okay, they are helping. Take any of the shapes, trace its outline on a sheet of paper. Okay. Now keep the shape on its outline and keep it a half turn. See if the shape fits its outline. Okay.
That's what I was doing. See, if you see at the, you told this is not. See, this is my book. I'm doing it, telling that as a page. Now I'm turning it. That's the way it is.
Okay, so that's how we have done. I hope आपको ये concept समझ में आ गया होगा. समझ में आ गया
become a page of 79.
like, share and subscribe this channel.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you so much for watching this video.
Bye bye.